let's have a practical understanding of formatting. So in front of you, we have this sales data for a week, and sales are of different regions like inside office, outside office, like this, right? So let's try formatting on this. So I'll just show you my approach and hope that you will be able to gain one perspective of how formatting is done. So the first thing I can see is that the table headers are not clearly visible, right? So what I'll do, just select the range and go on the home tab and click on wrap text. Now it's better, right? Then I'll make it bold. I'll you can you have two options, either this or just press Ctrl B. Let's highlight days as well. Okay. Now just increase the size a bit. Yes, it looks better. Just changing the width of column A. Now let's change the alignment as well. Let's make it center. Yes. And just give it a good border. So to give border, you have two options. You can click on this and have access from here, or just click on this and go on border. From here as well, you can have access to it. So I'll click this for inside part and thick one for outside. And color, I guess I'll go with this only. So now it looks far better, far more professional. But there is one thing left. These are sales value, right? But they don't actually represent that they are values. So let's change the number formatting of these numbers. To do that, you have access to number formatting in the home tab only, and let's make it currency. Now they represent the sales value, right? So it's a more professional manner to represent these numbers with dollars, right? Also, you can change these decimal places from here. Yes. So now I guess it is perfect. From all terms, it looks professional, easy to understand, comprehend. Yes, so that's it from this video. Hope you were able to understand how formatting is done, and I encourage you to explore more options, right? Because depending on for whom you are creating the report or doing your analysis, your formatting will change. So that was one way of doing it.